Hi everyone, it's Kozue. Today I want to show you how to make French manicure stickers. You need electrical tape or insulation tape and a compass cutter. I put this rubber band here so I can grip on it really hard, and it's much easier to use this with this rubber band. Scissors and a pair of tweezers with really sharp tips, and plastic file holder and a cutting mat. You also need a craft knife, something like this or something like this, whichever you feel comfortable with. This is a tape. I want to make something like this. I cut the plastic file holder. It's easy to handle. Put the tape on the file holder and this compass cutter. As you can see, you can change the size of the circles you are going to make. So this is 14 millimeters. Can you see what I did onto the tape? So basically, I made something like this on the tape with the compass cutter and a craft knife. And this is going to be the most exciting and satisfying part of this work. Peel the middle of the tape like this. Okay, the next one I'm going to make is something like this. Now I'm going to make much bigger circles, and I change the size of the circle. This one, 3 centimeters in diameter. I'll just peel the middle part. Never mind. So I've got a big one. You can use this big one on your thumbnail like this, or your foot, or you can use it for any nails actually. Now you have a nice gentle curve here. It's not really sharp. Some people like to have a really gentle curve on the French tip. What I like about this sticker is that this is really thick, and it's really flexible, and it's really durable, and it's kind of elastic, and it sticks really well. And you can change the size of the circles. You can make a big one. You can make big ones like these, or you can make small ones like these. In my next video, I want to show you how I use these stickers on my nails. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye!